Alexis, it is a conspiracy to commit murder charge. To prove a conspiracy, what are you looking for from the state?
Well, they're going to have to show that there was some agreement to do it, and there was some overt act that took place that to show that they had this agreement. I mean, I disagree with Philip. I'm looking at this and I'm thinking she is really a sociopath, but that's my opinion. I think they're going to have to show that agreement. We haven't really heard about that yet. They're just assuming it. So they are going to have to prove that.
Alexis, let me start with you, because one of the things that stood out to me, and I think to a lot of viewers, is here she is talking with the police about her dead husband, fourth husband, shot to death by her own brother. And yet she seems so light and airy to me during this interview.
I agree. I have so many thoughts. First, it's like the whole interview is like she's having a chat with her friend about going in, getting coffee and lunch, and she's a little aggravated with her husband. I mean, let's not forget, like you said, we've got a dead husband who's still her husband, that her brother shot on the floor of her house. So, I mean, this whole conversation, she does not seem rattled or upset by what actually happened at all. She's more, wants to tell about how she doesn't like him.
With you, this to me sounds like it could be viewed as simply a domestic violence incident where a gun was in the scene and this is what happens.
I mean, I definitely think the defense, she's going to try and play it as that, and based on what she was saying in this interview, that's what she was saying. However, there are some inconsistencies. The fact that she can't say what was being said at all, I find suspicious, as well as she hears a gunshot, but she leaves, but there wasn't a question. She says she doesn't see it. Whether it was her brother or her husband at the time, that was the one that was actually shot. So I think there's a lot of holes in the story.